Hey, it's Thoms with Leading Socially, and I want to stop in and talk about GIF games. Hello, those GIF games are super exciting. They are all the rage, and I'll tell you what, they are bringing so much fun, so much engagement, and bookings to our parties. And that's what we're all looking for, right? This is a super simple game to play. I give you everything you need, including some really beautiful graphics to post, and I also give you all the words. What are you going to post? How are you going to put it on the post? What are you going to say in the comments? What are you going to say when someone plays? How are you going to respond? I walk you through every detail so you will have all the words and be ready to book those parties. Friends can grab a screenshot. The guests at the parties will grab a screenshot right there of their GIF. So let's say they get a 3 and a 4. So you're adding those together and they get to open beach bag number 7 and you get to reveal what their prize is. Some of those prizes are free shipping. Some of them are $5 off their order. There's even one where you get to decide what you want the prizes to be. And so I give you a blank template to put in your prizes. And then some of them are Facebook parties with friends. I'm going to give you all the wording so that those ladies that win a party feel excited and are happy to win and to party with you. The other fun part is that when you purchase the Summer Fun gift game, I've got seasonal updates coming your way. So you will have a different version for each season to keep the fun going all year long. Ladies, in the last 5 parties, I have booked 38 new hostesses using the gift game. Let me say that again. In the last 5 parties, I've booked 38 new hostesses with the gift game. It is working, my friends. This is a fun way to increase the fun, the engagement, and the bookings at every party you hold. Make sure you leave us a review. Let us know how the Summer Fun gift game is going for you. And you know that when you leave that review, you get a coupon for your next purchase. Thanks so much for visiting us at Leading Socially, and you have a fabulous day.